Smart Factory Solutions. Smart manufacturing for the machine tool industry. Victor Taichung's VSM and VSP make smart manufacturing a reality. V4.1 to V4.4 are 4 Victor Smart Manufacturing VSM lines, adapted for differences in the workpiece's size, weight, shape, and processing equipment, integrating smart sensors, optical visual technology, 2D, 3D charged couple device, and smart robots. And through various Internet and TCP/IP networks, connecting all the equipment together to form a digital industrial Internet of Things, IIoT. Through big data collection and analysis, developing all kinds of apps to meet clients' requirements, achieving the goal of smart and flexible production. The benefits of this smart production line system are as follows. 1. Reduce working hours. Relative to manual work, a robot arm's mold changing time can be reduced from 24 minutes to 2 minutes, 11 times more efficient. 2. Small volume, large variety. Workpieces can have different specifications. At present, up to 155 types of workpiece can be produced. 3. Customized schedule. Scheduling software and SCADA software achieve customized production and visual management. 4. Fixture sharing. Automatic chuck changing technology and connected warehouse system can reduce the number of mold fixtures and bring down costs. 5. Pre-diagnosis mechanism. Prevent system errors or malfunctions from happening. As a leading Taiwanese machine tool manufacturer, Victor Taichung, since its founding in 1954, has continued to specialize in products such as CNC lathes, machining centers, and plastic injection molding machines, reaching dozens of countries around the world. Victor Taichung's greatest characteristic lies in its strong vertical integration capacity, with casting, processing, sheet metal, and assembly plant capabilities to cover every link in the precision machinery vertical chain. Victor Taichung is committed to incorporating IT into its products. More than a decade ago, the company began introducing equipment monitoring into its machine to establish a machine and production line monitoring and management system. Now, this can go further with the use of the Victor Smart Box, VSB, a platform that helps the client to carry out real-time machine monitoring, utilization rate management, tool life management, and more. At the Taichung City Precision Machinery Innovation Technology Park, Victor Taichung has built a brand new smart factory with 8 Victor Smart Production VSP lines, replanning the manufacturing process and configuration, and introducing a smart logistics system together with Formosa Heavy Industries automated warehouse with up to 10,000 spaces, and China Motor Corporation's Green Trans AGV logistics vehicles, integrating ERP and MES systems to achieve the goal of unmanned operations that effectively control the production schedule and quality of assembly. Looking ahead, Victor Taichung will actively invest in the development of pre-commercialization technology. In addition to providing a model for V4.0 smart machinery factories, the company will further play the role of optimal integration and manufacturing for future Industry V4.0.